right, we have a HP EliteBook 840G3. Okay, the back is rough and we want to put a laptop skin on it, and this is done by Abraham. All right, Abraham is coming up and he's doing very well also. Okay, there we have him putting in the plain sticker. All right, as we told you a lot, you have to make sure there is no bubbles when you are putting it. All right, and he's doing it perfectly, and he's doing it very well. This system is an HP EliteBook, and it has a configuration of 8GB RAM and 256 SSD, and is a Core i5 with a processor speed of 2.5 GHz. All right, running on 4 logical processors units. All right, so this system is good for graphics. You can also use it for online tasks. It can do online tasks very well. All right, and you can also use it for other major tasks. All right, you can also use it for video editing, but not for heavy ones, not for heavy video editing, because it doesn't have a dedicated graphics card. All right, so as we are going on, you can see what he's doing. He's doing it perfectly and he's doing it very well. What you need after cutting out, after putting in the plane, then you cut out the edges. You burn out the lighter to smoothen each of those edges very well. Okay, why we use a lighter, I always say it's the reason why is that it will make it blend to the body very well, so that's why you use it. All right, you can see the way he's doing it very well, and he's cutting it in a good way. Okay, all right, after doing all this, then we are done. I think what we need to carve is just only the logo, the HP logo. Then after carving out the logo, the HP logo, we are done. All right, so this is how to carve out each of those edges, then also the logo. As I said, we are going to do that. Okay, carve it out very well. You use a needle to be at accurate spots. All right, so as you are using our needle to carve out the logo, you see how to do it. You make sure you use a sharp object like this to do it. Okay, all right, this is a very short video on how to put in a laptop skin cover. All right, it's a short video, and as simple as that, you can see what we are doing. Okay, so this is done by Abraham. He's coming up and he's doing very well, as I said. Okay, please do well to like, share this video to your friends, to those that will need it. If you want to learn how to carve out a laptop skin and cover very perfectly, you can watch this video. All right, all my boys that are trying, they're doing very well on this, and you can see how it's going. I deliberately want them to be showing out their talent out to the world, and they're doing well. They're trying their best. So we came out with an idea of doing a competition, okay, within ourselves, a competition within all my apprenticeship. All right, so my apprentice, all right, they are going to we are going to put it through when we are ready on doing that. Okay, that will be coming on this December by God's grace. All right, so stay tuned with us, and please subscribe to see more of our videos, and I know you will learn a lot from it, because there will be a lot of competition on educative activities that will help them, also help those that really want to learn how to fix a laptop. All right, you see we are done, and it's very nice.